The agony and then the relief tonight for one of the longest-serving members of Congress. Two major decisions regarding the future of Michigan Democrat John Conyers. Chief Congressional Correspondent Mike Emanuel is here with late-breaking details. Good evening, Mike.
Well, good evening, Brett. Late today, a U.S. District Judge ordered that Michigan Democrat Congressman John Conyers is to be placed on the primary ballot. Judge Matthew Lightman, an Obama appointee, overruled county and state election officials who rejected voter signatures required to place Conyers on the ballot. Judge Lightman wrote, quote, "If the signatures excluded pursuant to the registration statute may not be excluded from Mr. Conyers' total, and this court holds that they may not be, then Mr. Conyers has enough signatures to qualify for placement on the ballot. He shall be placed on the ballot." Conyers had also appealed to the Michigan Secretary of State, who had a very different conclusion. Michigan Director of Elections Christopher Thomas today wrote, quote, "In short, the Secretary of State concludes that Ms. Garrett, Wayne County Clerk Kathy Garrett, correctly determined that Congressman Conyers failed to submit a minimum of 1,000 valid signatures to qualify for placement on the August 5, 2014 primary election ballot. The Conyers campaign had submitted 2,000 signatures, but, quote, the Secretary of State finds that Congressman Conyers submitted a total of 455 valid signatures. That's less than half of what's needed to get on the ballot. Reasons signatures were rejected were because at least 5 of the circulators were either not registered to vote, not registered while circulating petitions, or had addresses on those petitions that didn't match their voter registrations, or the signature wasn't from a registered voter, or the person didn't live in his district. Conyers is seeking his 25th term in Congress, and if reelected would become the most senior member of the U.S. House, with the upcoming retirement of John Dingell, also from Michigan. Conyers is 85 years old and was first elected to Congress 50 years ago. Judge Lightman called it an exceptionally difficult case, but has given Conyers new political life. This could be appealed, so this may not yet be over. Brett?